Hey guys, it's 9:45 on October 8th. I'm already done trading for the day. Small red day, but I wanted to make a video about it because it's not because my trading plan is bad or that I'm not taking the right trades. It's really the problem of trading with a tiny account. You know, I just have like about a little over $100 in this account. And I try to stick to like 50-50 per day, you know, so about half the account per day. And that way I can take, and I'm trading with like 10% of my account. I think I have it set to $10 right now, but basically 10% of my account per trade. So I could take 4 or 5 trades each day. And that puts the statistics a little more in my favor. But today I only had enough to take like two trades was all I got in today. And unfortunately, that stacks the odds against you because I think a great trading plan will win 50 to 60% of the time. And the way you make that profitable is by staying in your winning trades as long as possible, as long as they allow, and getting out of the losing trades really quick. And I mean, here's a perfect example. I mean, this is when I was trading, and my trading plan would tell me to enter right here. I was already out of trades. I would be big time in the money. It would have canceled out all of my losing trades coming into this. So let me just review really quickly the trades that my plan says I should take, and then the ones that I was able to take because of the amount of money that was in my account today. So the first trade that my plan says to take is this one right here, and I didn't take it because I knew I only had a few trades to take today, and but if I would have had like my normal 4 or 5, I would have taken it, and that would have been a nice green trade, right? And then the next trade my plan says to take is this one right here. That's the one that I did take, you know, because I mean, it's essentially the same as this one. You have like a nice long run up here, and then a pullback, and then break for the high of this run, and it shot up, you know, popped up. And then, so this is just a kind of a condensed version of that, a shorter pullback, shorter run up, but it didn't really pop. It just popped up and came right back down. So then that was like one of my 2 trades today. So then I'm thinking I only have 1 trade left. I should just wait until the market opens. And again, that screws me statistically because the next trade, I guess technically the next trade I would have lost as well right here, right? But so that'd be like what, 3 trades in if I was taking. So here's the first trade. That's a winner. Second trade, it's a loser, but it would have been a small loser, so I'd still be in the green here because I get out as soon as these things go against me. And then here, this would have been another small loser. So 2 small losers and 1 big winner. And then the next trade that I would have had to enter because of my plan would be for the break of this candle, and there's a big winner. So 2 small losers, 1 big winner. And then if I still had more, so that's like 4 trades. If I took the 5th trade, there's another winner right there. So I would have been probably done right there, and that would have been green for the day. But let's say I started a little bit later, or say like the market open. What I traded today, my second trade was for the break of this level here. And like the last few days, it's been working out really well. These stocks have been breaking the high of day after a small sell-off like this, and just shooting up often into halts. That happened yesterday. So I did the same thing today. It doesn't mean it's going to happen every time, and this is a perfect example. And I'd be totally okay with that because that you know that even the best patterns can fail. But it's frustrating when you can only take a couple of trades per day. Because it failed here, and then I was essentially out of trades. So again, let's assume that I had more money in the account that I could continue to trade. So that would have been a loser. And then, but again, you know, it would be a small loser because I wouldn't even let it come down to the bottom of this candle before I got out. As soon as I sense that it's weak, I'm getting out. So my next entry, I guess my next entry technically would be here. 249, and then it pops up to 259. If I think that I probably would have had time to at least get out on the first pop with half my shares for 10 cents, and then I probably would have got out for break even. So I think that would have been a winning trade for me. And then the next time that I'd have to get in based on my plan is for the break of that candle right here. This definitely would have been a winning trade for me. I would have been in at like 261, I think, and probably got out at the first pop around 271, or maybe if I was lucky 275 for 10 or 15 cents. And I'd still be holding here, still holding, and I probably would have stopped out here at 283. That would have been a really great winning trade. And again, if I had more trades, I'd probably take this one here. So, it really stinks because my plan is really, really good. I feel like it's pretty much as good as it can be. Because, like I said, if you can get a plan together where you're winning half of your trades, and then by strong risk management, you make the half that you're winning bigger than the half that you're losing, you're already winning. And here I think I was probably winning 60 to 65% of the trades. So anyway, I don't know. I mean, I think that the takeaway here is the trading with your 10% share size is good. Maybe 7 or 8% would be even better, because then you can get more trades in. But I think in order to do that and really make money, you need like $1,000 minimum to make this work. The other thing was there was another great opportunity here in the pre-market, but again, I just don't have enough cash in the account to take these trades. I saw this happen here. Let me go to the 1 minute chart. I saw this break, and again, my trading plan tells me to get out for the break of that level, and I would have ran this whole thing up. Actually, you know what? No, I saw here. I pulled it up, and this was happening. So my plan would say to get in at the break of this candle, which is right here, and I would have gotten all of that. So again, that would have been another big winner. So it kind of sucks. It's frustrating when your trading plan is good. I mean, I may just have to bite the bullet here at some point and say, you know what, I believe in the plan. I need to now put my money where my mouth is, and just go ahead and dump $1,000 into this account, and then see what happens. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you, because I know there's a lot of other guys out there trading a small account, trying to get it to grow. And when you have a few red days in a row, like I've had lately, you start second guessing yourself and second guessing your plan. But I think I've proven that it's not my plan. I mean, I'm almost guaranteed that I would be well in the green for this week if I had enough money to take 5 or 6 or 8 trades a day. I mean, that sounds like a lot of trading. One of the things they tell you not to do as a day trader is don't overtrade. But I'm a scalper, and to get scalping to work, you have to take a lot of trades. You got to get in and out. You have to, expect that like 50 to 60% are winners, and then the other 40 to 50% are losers. So anyway, it only works if you can do quite a few trades.